minutes. Ugh, I knew it. Here, happy birthday. Aw, thanks. Lashes. This must have been so expensive. Yeah, it was. Get 25% off with code Jeenie. Thank you, but this still doesn't help my situation. They're magnetic lashes? Where have you been? Just choose the lash you want, hurry. Oh, I like foxy. Good, now trim to fit your eye. Good, now use the waterproof magnetic eyeliner and put 2 coats of eyeliner. Wait 2 seconds and then just put them on. What the? Oh. Ah, see? Done! Now do the other side, hurry! Ooh, me likey. Okay. You look fabulous. Okay, let's go. It's perfect. Hurry up, change into your outfit. I don't know what to wear yet. Oh, I give up. Hey, what's going on here? I'm gonna be late for my shift. We're just waiting for a random drug and alcohol test. A test? What for? Oh, they do this sometimes, but more frequently now, though, because apparently there's been a rise in crew coming to work, you know. Probably the stress, like I totally get it. Must be holiday travel and people are kind of crazy these days, but yeah, don't worry. It's only gonna take like 2 minutes. You won't be late for your flight. Oh my God, who would do such a thing? So tell me, why should we hire you? Well, I find a lot of joy in trying to create memorable experiences for others. I'm also a team player, and I'm very good at problem solving, as well as I speak 7 languages, and I'm certified in first aid, which I know is an asset. But do you dance? Dance? Yeah. I can dance, not professionally, but I did make a TikTok once on a dance trend and it got like 1,000 views, so good enough. You're hired. Really? Thank you so much. Here is your uniform. You start Monday. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. What did I apply for? To be a flight attendant. Excuse me, it's way too hot on this plane. Can you please turn down the temperature? No. I was just going to ask you to turn up the heat because I'm freezing. Well, we set the plane temperature to around 22 to 24 degrees, which is usually a comfortable temperature for everyone on the plane. Oh, comfortable? Okay, why don't you tell that to my nipples, huh? Do they look comfortable to you? Oh, is this what we're doing now? We're battling it out? Okay, yeah. You want to see something? Look at my pits! It's too hot! We don't have any blankets on this flight, but how about I lend you my jacket? I can bring that to you, and how about a nice ice-cold beverage to help cool you down? I am not wearing someone else's clothes. You think a cold beverage is going to help this? The easiest solution is for you to just turn up the heat, okay? And if not, fine. I'll be filing a complaint. No, turn down the temperature or I'm filing a complaint. So pretty much a lose-lose situation for me. Ah! Oh
no! Excuse me, what's the holdup? I'm gonna miss my connecting flight. Yeah, hurry up!
I'm sorry, sir. We're just waiting for one more VIP passenger and we should be on our way shortly.
Well, it doesn't matter to you. You're getting paid anyways.
Actually, no.
You're not getting paid right now?
We don't get paid until the doors close and we push back.
That's crazy! Aren't you pissed off?
This is my pissed off face, sir.
Hey dudes, what's up? Sorry I'm late.
Hurry up and sit down! Yeah! 너 아니라고 뭐 하고 있어? 야, 일어나! You have a job today. Wake up! I quit. 일어나! Welcome to Tim Hortons. Hello. One coffee. 아니지. 잠깐만. Latte. You have a latte? Yes, we actually have our new handcrafted espresso beverages. Americano? No. Cappuccino. Yes, we have all of them. Sorry, my daughter like espresso drink, but I don't remember which one. Well, from now until November 28, our Americanos, cappuccinos, and lattes are all just $2 any size, so just get all of them. Very good. I take large size everything. Here you go. Thank you very much. Jeenie, Americano, latte, cappuccino. Okay, cappuccino. Wow, looks good. Oh, that's good. I probably beat it. I'm so excited to be working together. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. Told you, Mom, I always make it. As flight attendants, we are equipped with duct tape, zip ties, if we're lucky, handcuffs, to deal with the really, really terrible passengers. As I'm doing more research on Mexico, I realized that I want to start a petition to equip all flight attendants with the deadliest weapon ever made that can bypass security. The chancla! I don't know how, but when thrown, the chancla is proven to hit its target 100% of the time. And then the recipient of the chancla will listen. You shut up. No, you shut up. Hey, both of you shut up. Huh? Yeah. To my OGs out there, do you guys remember the time last year when I was like virtually traveling through the green screen and going to different countries and highlighting countries? I kind of want to do that again because that was so much fun. I got to meet so many of you virtually and you got to be on Jeenie Air, the best airline in the world. So I'm going to Mexico in like 2 weeks. So let's start off with Mexico. If you live in Mexico or from Mexico, know anything about Mexico, whether it be travel tips, culture, food, fashion, how your Mexican mom punishes you, I don't care. Whatever info you want to share with the world and be a part of Jeenie Air, then hit me up. Rather comment below. Do not send me TikTok messages. I never get them. You can message me on IG, whatever, and we'll connect. Due to an overbooking, we're looking for one volunteer to take the next flight out tomorrow, and in exchange, we'll be giving you a $200 travel credit. $300. $400. $500. Hello, I'll take the next flight, $4,000 cash. $750. Yeah, I don't think there's anyone else. You see, they all got places to go, people to see. I'm alone and depressed, so I might as well make some bank out of my situation. Know what I'm saying? Fine. $1,000, travel credit, no cash. Seriously? Oh. And I would like a hotel because the flight is tomorrow and I need a place to stay. That's reasonable. And I would like to be upgraded to first class on my flight tomorrow. Okay. And I would like a massage voucher for the stress that this flight change has caused. Don't push it. I'll take it. One of the top questions that people ask before they go to Dubai. I recently did not go to Dubai, so let me share with you what I noticed. Those that don't know, the UAE is a majority Muslim country. So everyone, both men and women, are encouraged to dress Covered don't worry, sweetie. I'll help you find your parents. What's your name? Jeenie. What a beautiful name, Jeenie. Do you remember where you were sitting? Yeah, it was dark and cold and I was all alone. Okay. I'm just going to ask my friend for help. Just wait 1 second, okay, sweetie? Hey, psst, psst. Do you know where this kid was sitting? What kid? I swear, she was just here. Okay, well, let's just check. No, we have no kids on this flight. No, there was a kid here with pigtails and a Pink Panther doll. Oh, no, wait, there is a kid on this flight. Oh, no. In cargo, though. Cargo? Oh, no, that's so sad. And her name was Jeenie. Such a cute name. Jeenie. Right. See ya. Things you didn't know about Emirates Airlines. Yalla, habibi, yalla. If you are a first class or business class passenger, you get a chauffeur-driven car included in your ticket. That's right. They will pick you up. They will drop you off at the airport to wherever you need to go. On the A380 aircraft, business and first class passengers can enjoy a bar and lounge on the plane. Yeah, nobody wants the COVID. All of Emirates Airlines aircrafts are fitted with HEPA air filtration systems, removing 99.97% of all viruses in the air. Have you ever seen a shower on a plane? This is just for first class. I mean, I just asked nicely to take a photo in it. But if you can afford first class, it's pretty cool. Already know that Emirates cabin crew is the best, right? But did you know that Emirates has a part of their team over 160 nationalities? Emirates crew are actually hired from all around the world, and then they become residents of the UAE. Expo 2020 is happening right now in Dubai until March 31st, 2022. So if you're flying through Dubai with Emirates during this time, well, guess what? You get a free day pass to go see the expo.
We're going to lock the door.
Now let's do a quick tour of the lavatories. Let's go.
Do your business. Don't throw trash in there. Close the lid. Then you flush.
Don't close the lid, you're going to get sucked right out of the airplane. Just kidding. For those that said toilet water is the same as your coffee water, no, it's not.
We also have here a change table for your bebe. Okay, change your diapers here. Please throw the diapers in the trash and don't keep it at your seat. If you are feeling airsick, we have some puke bags in here for you to use. You can also ask for help. And yes, cabin crew can actually open the doors from the outside to help you in case you need it. Some airlines do give you extra toiletries, but if it's not there, just ask them and they can give it to you. No smoking. I know some people try. You will get charged. There are smoke detectors. Don't try. So once you wash your hands, you will notice that the water does not go down. You just need to press this button, and down it goes. And that is the airplane toilet tour.
tired. We're all tired. It's your turn, okay? Fine. Duty free, anyone? Duty free. Hi, over here. So what is your favorite fragrance? Yes, sir. Would that be perfume or cologne? Perfume. Certainly, sir. Well, this is actually one of my favorite scents. It's very light and fresh and just makes you feel great. That's great. I'll take it. You keep it. Pardon? And how many other crew members do you have working on this flight today? There's like, I don't know, like 14 of us? Great. I'll take 13 more fragrances. Just have the crew pick whatever they want, and then just let me know how much it is. Oh, no, sir. We cannot accept that. Please, it's just to show my appreciation. I know how hard you all work. You have always been so kind to me on all of my flights. Please, just enjoy it. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I need to inspect your luggage. No problem. Okay. Let's see. I mean, if you just want to tell me what you're looking for, I can help you find. Please don't touch anything. Sorry. Do you have an electric toothbrush anywhere? No. An electric shaver, perhaps? No. Maybe a microphone? No. Immersion blender? I don't even know what that is. Or maybe a remote control car, but instead of a car, it's an eggplant? Huh? Do you have any battery operated device? Oh, yeah, if you open up that little pouch, I have my vibrator. Ma'am, that is illegal in our country. Excuse me, what? Please go see that officer over there. Am I going to jail? Excuse me, ma'am. Your dog actually needs to remain in the carrier in the seat in front of you. What? Oh, this is not a dog. Ma'am, I know that's a dog with the wig on. Please, all animals need to be in the carrier unless you have proof that that's a service animal. Well, I see other passengers acting like animals and I don't see you locking them up. Oh. I know it's hard to believe sometimes, but these are humans. That's a dog, so... For the last time, this is not a dog. Are you a dog? Huh? Are you a dog? See? Wait a second. You understand me? You're cute. You can stay. Hello, my friends. I'm back in my vacation, and during that time, I went on several flights as a passenger. Usually, nothing ever happens when I fly as a passenger, but this time, something did. And this story is actually going to confirm that I'm actually not the right person. I was flying on an aircraft that looked similar to the photo behind me over here. You see this little ledge part above the seat right here? The passenger in front of me kept putting her trash, her drinks, whatever it is, on that any of them turbulence, 50% chance these items will fall to her or to me.
time. I was just watching. Yeah, I'm going to hell.
I'm here!
You know, we almost left without
I'm sorry I'm late. I look different. Yo, you forgot your eyebrows!
I'm giving you 2 minutes to be up to our makeup standards or you're off this flight.
Can't do it in 2 minutes.
I got you. Use my Maybelline Express Brow Satin Duo. This side you used to define, okay? Like that. And this spongy side you used to fill your brows like that. Easy, right? Give me that. Ladies, do you know what would be more impressive? If we can get the waters that we asked for within 2 minutes. Yeah? Yep, this just happened. I did something! And the first thing that I wanted to do was tell you guys! For you to understand why I'm so excited, you kind of need to know the background or the history, which is that I was cabin crew for an airline called Emirates Airlines, which is, in my opinion, the best airline in the world. And in order to be cabin crew for Emirates Airlines, you actually need to relocate and live in Dubai. So in other words, during that time, Dubai was my home. I resigned as cabin crew over 10 years ago, and since then, I've never been on another Emirates Airlines. I've never been back to Dubai. It just never crossed paths, I guess. So it's finally happening. I am going to Dubai! Not only am I going back to Dubai, I booked my flight on Emirates. Not only on Emirates, but I booked it on Emirates Business Class! I have never in my life flown business class. I have, as a passenger, I only fly economy, and as a flight attendant, I've only worked economy. I tried to buy first class, and then I saw the price, and then I was like, no. But still, I just can't wait to show you guys all the cool stuff on the plane, in business class, just Emirates, the service, and what I'm allowed to film, I'm not sure yet, whatever, but, you know, I'll try to get as much content for you guys on the plane as possible, as well as Dubai, because Dubai is amazing, and I'm just like so stoked right now, so, yeah. Have you ever thought of becoming cabin crew? More people are starting to travel, which means we need more flights, which means we need more cabin crew. Here are some tips that can help you get the job. You could go to flight attendant school, but it's not always required. All airlines provide their own training, but I mean, if you get some extra training, there's no harm in that. It is a huge asset to know multiple languages. This could be a sign for you to learn a new language. If you haven't already, gain some experience in the service industry. A job in hotels, restaurant, even retail. Any kind of experience that involves customer service is a bonus. Also, you can get first aid training somewhere. If you have that first aid certification, that's definitely a bonus. Do you know what's also a bonus? I don't really know what's going on. It could be the pandemic or whatever it is, but passengers nowadays are kind of like even on a recent flight, this happened. I don't know. I think moving forward, having some self-defense training will be a benefit. Yep, this just happened. I did something. And the first thing that I wanted to do was tell you guys. For you to understand why I'm so excited, you kind of need to know the background or the history, which is that I was cabin crew for an airline called Emirates Airlines, which is, in my opinion, the best airline in the world. And in order to be cabin crew for Emirates Airlines, you actually need to relocate and live in Dubai. So in other words, during that time, Dubai was my home. I resigned as cabin crew over 10 years ago, and since then, I've never been on another Emirates Airlines. I've never been back to Dubai. It just never crossed paths, I guess. So it's finally happening. I am going to Dubai! Not only am I going back to Dubai, I booked my flight on Emirates. Not only on Emirates, but I booked it on Emirates business class! I have never in my life flown business class. I have, as a passenger, I only fly economy, and as a flight attendant, I've only worked economy. I tried to buy first class, and then I saw the price, and then I was like, no. But still, I just can't wait to show you guys all the cool stuff on the plane, in business class, just Emirates, the service, and what I'm allowed to film, I'm not sure yet, whatever, but, you know, I'll try to get as much content for you guys on the plane as possible, as well as Dubai, because Dubai is amazing, and I'm just like so stoked right now, so, yeah.
Everybody on this plane sucks. You suck. You, pal.
Sir, you need to calm down. You're causing a disturbance on this flight.
Hey, you can't tell me what to do. My parents are worth $2 million.
Sir, there's literally no benefit for you to be flexing your parents' $2 million.
Are you joking? You can't even buy a house in LA for that.
Why are you sitting in economy, bro?
Oh my god, shut up!
Hey, lady.
You.
Joke's on you, buddy. Did these feel nice to you? Ah! Oh, hell no.
Help! Help! Help!
Plan B then.
You guys suck! My parents are worth more than fucking 2 million goddamn dollars. And you know what? You Yeah, you know what? My grandpa is worth more than your fucking attorney. Shut the Nope. Chill out. Come on.